Okay, so in this question, okay, so this is on page, chapter 4, page 9. Okay, so here they say construct a tangential arc with a radius of 60 millimeter to include both the circles, and all the construction must be shown. So in Afrikaans is dit konstrueer 'n raakboog met 'n radius van 60 mm om beide die sirkels in te sluit. So when you think of including circles, so for instance here is 2 circles and we have to include it. It means that the arc that touch both of the circles will be like this, so that when we finish this a circle, that these two will be inside the circle. So the circles is, of ja, die circles is nou ingesluit. Okay, so if I'm looking at 2 circles and I'm excluding them, it means that the arc will be this way around. So if I finish the circle, that these 2 circles won't be inside the circle. Okay, so I want you to write next to it over here. You can also write that include. Okay, when I'm looking at include ingesluit, then I take the I and it looks like a minus for me. Okay, so then I know that if I'm looking at including, I should take the radius, which they give me, and it is 60, and minus this circle's radius, which is 20, if I'm going to draw a arc from this circle. So it means it's 60 for this one. I'll say this is circle A and this is circle B. Okay, so from circle A, I would take 60 minus the radius. It's not 40 because that is the diameter. So the radius will be radius 20. So I will take radius 20 and then it is radius 40. Okay, so I'm going to put my compass on 40. And I'm gonna draw a arc here, and I place my compass on the center point of circle A. Okay, for circle B, this is circle A, circle B, it's also minus, so I will take the 60 minus this one's radius, which will be 15. Okay, and I will say minus 15, and then I will get 45 radius. Okay, I'm gonna put my compass on 45. So sit jou pas op 45 and then place it on the center point of circle B and then cut that arc. Okay, now I'm going back to what the instruction was, and that was put your compass on 60 millimeters. So now go adjust your compass to 60. Okay, and then place it on that mark which we just got. Just make sure that your compass will touch both of the circles, and yes, mine does. So then you can go and draw your arc. Okay, so this arc is including these 2 circles. Okay, so jou raakboog sluit hierdie 2 cirkels aan. Okay, okay, and then the last step is, you'll also get marks for this construction, is to show this was where my compass, I put my compass, and that is where the arc begins. So you have to draw a line for me to know, okay, your compass was there and that is where you started. Okay, and the same this side. Okay, so this one is actually supposed, I see I'm doing it wrong now, but it's supposed to go through the center. Okay, sorry. I see mine didn't go straight, so it's supposed to go under line. Okay, so somewhere there was a millimeter off, but it's okay. Okay, so it should go through the center, sorry about that, and then you have your arc. Okay, so for the next one, 2, okay, they say again, construct a tangential arc with a radius of 40 millimeters to exclude. So now, if I have 2 circles, I want to exclude it. So it means the arc will be either this way or that way. It doesn't matter, but now they give you more space over here. Okay, so if I finish a circle, then can you see that both of these circles exclude these 2? Okay, so I'm gonna take, okay, exclude en uitgesluit. So how I remember it, the X looks like a plus, okay, and the T is a plus. Okay, that's how I just remember it in my head to know, should I minus the radius or should I plus it together? Okay, so now they say construct, okay, so konstrueer 'n raakboog met die radius van 40 mm. So again, this is now circle A and circle B. Okay, so I'm gonna plus it now. So for circle A, I'm gonna say 40 plus the radius of this one, which will be again radius 20, and then I get 60. Okay, so put your compass on 60 and put it on the center point of A and construct an arc. Okay, then for circle B, I'm going to take 40 plus the radius, which is 15, and then I'll get 55. Okay, so put your compass on 55, put it in the center of circle B and construct an arc. Okay, so this will be the circle, the middle point for my radius of 40. So now we go back to what they ask, and that is put your compass on 40. Okay, and then I'm putting my compass over there on the center and I'm drawing my arc. Okay, and remember to just show I put my compass over there and on the center, so I have to show that construction. Okay, so that one is also finished, and now let's go to the next one. Okay, and this is over number 3. Okay, construct a tangential arc with a radius of 60 to include circle A. So I'm going to write it here. Include means minus. Okay, so this is for A, and to exclude B, so B will be plus. Okay, and the radius is 60, so I'm going to take 60 minus and 60 plus. Okay, so if I'm looking at A, the radius will be 20, the radius will be at B 15. So I'm going to say 60 minus 20 and I get 40 again, and B will be 60 plus 15, and then I get 75. So that is for B. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to put my, okay, so this is circle A and circle B. For A, put your compass on 40. And then put it on A and draw an arc. Okay, for B, put your compass on radius 75. Okay, and then construct an arc again. Okay, can you see this will be where my arc, I will put my center again. Okay, so now they say the radius should be 60. So put your compass on 60 now.